Hello guys and welcome to Technical Rocker. So guys, today I'm going to just show you how to make an automatic night lamp like in front of you on a breadboard. Okay, so how it works? It works really simply. When the light is not touching the surface of the LDR, the light starts shining. So it's a really simple logic. I think you can understand this simple logic behind it, and let me show you how it works in real life and practically. So for the noises, it's like real noisy over here. So here we go. As you can see, when I just cut the light source, which is coming from there, so if the light and there as well, because there's like lighting problem, it's like really dark place over here, so I'm just trying to manage all the stuff, and like this will start working. So I'm just using this light source over here, because this, if I just do like that, this light source doesn't work so well, the above light source, because you know it's really far away, and this LDR that I'm having over here is not that much sensitive. So I'm gonna just show you one which is really sensitive and it works quite well. I'm having an LDR which works really well and it's like sensitive, about like even like enough for just room light, in which it can just get switched off. So it gets switched on when all the lighting around gets switched on. I'm like, this is not real lighting. So like this, it starts working. As you can see, if I just put it, you can see it's glowing, right? If I do it over here, I just turn it, as you can see, like this. So now let's start to make it. So first, let me do the focus stuff and everything, the camera stuff. So you need first this thing. Go ahead and I'm grabbing this transistor, BC507. I think you can see BC507. Now you will need to just make it go somewhere like this. See. And yeah, the flat surface should face towards you, as I have already told you. Be careful with that. That's why it's not going inside. Okay, as you can see over here, let me place something behind it so that you can see clearly and well. So now the second part is the LDR. Yeah, this LDR. Place it like through the base. Connect the base, this part, and the emitter with the help of this LDR, like this. You can see. Now get your resistor and place it from the base of the LDR to any point in the breadboard, wherever you want to. Okay, as you can see, if it's clear, I hope it's clear. So you can see over here that the base is connected with one part of the LDR and one part of the resistor over here, and the LDR is connecting the emitter and the base of the transistor. Now the part of the LDR. So I'm using red, you know, I've just told you before. It's all up to you. Positive part, which is the big long one, this long one should be connecting to this part over here, to the resistor over here. Second part should be connecting to the emitter. So here you go, it's done. Now the part of this battery. Missing the light over here, so it won't work if I just don't do this. So as you can see, in front of you, you can see the LDR, and the light source is this mobile phone, because every single light over in this area is switched off. So the positive part goes over. Sorry. Yeah, I'm right. Wait a second. So positive part connects over here, and the negative parts connect over here, and here we go, it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't forget to comment below. Positive part over here, negative part over here. So select emitter, and thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.